Hello guys, welcome to React backend files. In this tutorial we're going to introduce for you React backend and node models for you. So at the first, let's get started and do this one. What is React? At the first, React is a JavaScript library component for building user interface and application for web. So it has got its own backend such as Node.JS, NPM and Express. So the first, what is Node.js? React has got its own backend which support and help to create a complete application and user for web. So it does need to backend and front end. So the first Node.js, how we can use Node.js and what Node.js. So at the first we should install and set up this in Node.js to work with React. It just act as backend alongside with React programming language. So how to install and how to set up this useful and important backend. So you can jump to inside the Google site and download. At the first you can click on its icon, and at the first it has got two format, one for Mac and the other one for Windows. So at the first we can download it. If you are using if you are using Windows, you can download this one for Windows. So you can click its icon. At the first, Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. So we can click on its icon and download this one. So should click after downloading. We can click on its icon and we can install this one for our Windows. So after clicking we can run. After that we can hit on its next button and select its location inside the operating system, and then we can click next and next. After that after it will be installed inside our Windows, so we can click and install this one. So after installing this one, we have got this Node.js. We have installed this one inside our programming language, inside our React file. So we have got this React file. React as JavaScript library for building the user interface and application for web. Let's get started this useful React, useful programming language such as React. How we can get started and how we can do this one and create a complete web application. So we can jump inside our React file. For installing React inside our React file, we can write down inside the terminal. You can click right here inside on the terminal, and then you can click new terminal, and right here we can type these words such as npm for installing React inside our directory. So we can write down npx create React app, and then we can select a folder for storing this React file inside it. We can just write down inside one folder. If you have got folder, we are going to set up this one inside that folder. We just can write down the name of that folder. If we're going to install this file inside the other folder, we can select another folder and create another folder. So right here we have to download this React file. If we run the terminal, if we run the page, we can see this React file. So this is the basic React file, such as we have got two kinds of JS files, such as app.js and index.js. So these two JS file have got its own connection with together, and this JS file have got one connection with HTML file. So we can link this JS file just by this attribute such as the root ID. So we have got this basic HTML file right here. Because we can do not need for the one, we can emit this file as well, and we have got the script element. It has got a root ID. This root ID just make a self connection between JS file and HTML file. So take a look right here. We have got these node models. So how to install this one inside our project, inside our React file? These node models has got many more extension, and we can set up these extensions by tab extension, and we can install this one by terminal. So at the first, if we're going to work with React file, at first step we can extension, we just can write down inside the terminal npm I or install React the first, and then we can write on Bootstrap or other extensions, and then these node models will be installed and exist inside our React file. So inside these node models, we have got a lot of other models and extensions which will be usable for React file. The models and these extension just support and backend our React file. This dependency to install inside package JSON just by writing npm and install the others. Take a look right here inside our package. Have got these dependencies. So we have got another React backend file by the name of Express. What is Express? Express is a lightweight web application framework and is one of the most popular package on npm. So Express makes it much easier to create a server and handle routing for your application, which handles things like directing people to the correct page with the visit a certain endpoint like page. So as you saw how to install this one, just write down inside the terminal npm express file, and then we can run the page